Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Mohammed Ali Pate, says verifiably reduced maternal mortality, improved service utilization, and the timely disbursement of 46 billion naira to primary health centers across the states from the Basic Healthcare Provision Fund is a testament to improved federal-state coordination in the health sector. Speaking at the 65th meeting of the National Council on Health in Maiduguri, the Borno State capital, the coordinating minister outlined key milestones, including the training of over 43,000 health workers out of the targeted 120,000 free surgical repairs for 1,000 women under the vesical vagina fistula program and free C-sections for vulnerable women nationwide. The host, Borno State Governor Babangida Zulum, commended the minister for its leadership, reaffirming Borno State's commitment to improving healthcare delivery.
This is this opportunity to collaborate, brainstorm, and deliver on the mandate of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFI towards actualizing the goal to save lives, reduce both physical and financial pain, and produce health for all Nigerians. On behalf of my colleagues, the governors of 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I want to assure you, Mr. Honorable Minister Manchim, that inshallah, we shall provide the necessary support.
You can say the first year was a year of planning, of preparation. Now we have entered the year, exactly 1 year, of what I would say execution after diligent preparation over the last 1 year. That we can say we collectively achieved in collaboration between the federal government, all the state governments, our local governments, our partners, private sector, civil society. The power of collective effort in advancing health of the population cannot be overemphasized.
Now, of Lagos State, Babajide Olushola Sanwo-Olu has presented a budget estimate of 3 trillion naira to the lawmakers for the new fiscal year. The proposal tagged budget of sustainability is made up of a recurrent expenditure of 1.239 trillion, which is 41%, and capital expenditure of 1.76 trillion naira, which stands at 59%. TVC News correspondent Abimbola Agbebi has the story.
This annual budget presentation at the Lagos State House of Assembly is devoid of its usual pomp and pageantry. The presentation was rather low-key. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu wasted no time in presenting a budget estimate of 3.005 trillion to the lawmakers for the new fiscal year.
It's an honor that I stand here this afternoon to present the estimate of the 2025 budget proposal to this hallowed chamber, the Lagos State House of Assembly. The year 2025 budget, as proposed, has a total budgetary size of 3,500,935,198,401 naira.
Tagged budget of sustainability, the governor says the year 2025 financial plan is structured around 5 key priorities designed to ensure economic stability, environmental stewardship, and social equity. Governor Sanwo-Olu also emphasized the need for continuous investment in infrastructure as very key in ensuring the sustainability of the state's fiscal assets.
In the coming fiscal year, we will be prioritizing the maintenance, upgrading, and expansion of existing road networks, bridges, and rail system. We will expand on our drainage infrastructure, which will help to enhance mobility and to migrate the impact of climate change. Digital infrastructure is also not left out, in line with our vision for a truly 21st century megacity. This pillar prioritizes investment in education, in healthcare, and social welfare to ensure that no one, and when we truly mean no one, is left behind.
As it's the yearly tradition, the governor made his way to carry out a symbolic presentation of the document to the House. Reacting to the presentation, the Speaker of the House says the fiscal document was coming at a time when it was mostly needed.
We want to thank Mr. Governor for the good job he's doing constitutionally. By presenting the budget, you can rest assured that this House will also respect this constitutional right to address the budget and get back to you. Distinguished guests, as we owe that 2025 budget will be of great benefit to the people of Lagos State, we, however, appeal to Mr. Governor and Lagosians to give us sufficient time to enable the House to do a thorough job on financial document that has great influence on the lives of the people.
The Assembly promised to do its due diligence in scrutinizing the documents while ensuring a timely passage. Abimbola Agbebi, TVC News, Lagos.
The former Deputy National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party and elder statesman, Bode George, has called on the party leadership ahead of the November 28 convention to address critical issues facing the party to avoid serious and irredeemable consequences. He spoke at a press conference marking his 79th year birthday in Lagos. Senior reporter Yomide Ajegbe was there.
On the occasion of his 79th birthday, the chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, Bode George, speaks on the issues facing the party.
Where we are today because of self-inflicted crisis. We should bury our individual ambition now and not allow the PDP to crumble. Please, elders of the party should tell some of these funny characters to pull off and think of our national interest instead of their personal interest.
Speaking on the unending crisis in Rivers State, Bode George asked questions as to the offense of the Rivers State governor and queries why so-called party leaders have not mediated in the crisis till date, urging the FCT minister, Nyesom Wike, to cease fire.
What exactly is the offense of Governor Fubara of Rivers State that some elders of our party are trying to throw him under the bus because of political expediency? My advice to Wike is very simple. I am therefore appealing to him to cool off immediately. I know he was injured by friends during the last PDP presidential contest, but I'm advising him as a father to please take it easy.
While responding to the ambition of the former vice president to contest for the presidential election again in 2027, the elder statesman advises him to bury his ambition for the progress of the party and the country.
Now to Atiku, my advice is this. You will be 81 years old in 2027. And you have been contesting for the presidency since 1993. This is the time for you to calm down and act like an elder.
One of the guests present, who was the Labour Party governorship candidate, says a coalition from major political parties will be the way to go to mount a major challenge in 2027.
Everybody must come together. The same way APC brought all the opposition against PDP, that's what has to happen in the next election.
The event had in attendance some party leaders from far and near, as well as political friends and family. Ayomide Ajegbe, TVC News, Lagos.